pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm so very glad you clicked on this video. And for those of you that are just getting to know me, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate every single one of you. Today I am doing a look with the sister palettes of All of You Forever with Pinky Promise, and I'm so excited to do this. And I thought, you know, I'm just gonna get dressed, I'm gonna do this awesome look, and I'm gonna do my hair. And no, I wound up throwing on the shirt that I wanted to wear, pulling my hair up using the fakest lashes that I have, but I enjoyed doing this so very much. And in between I was doing e-learning too, so sit back, relax, drink some coffee with me, grab your smoke or your vape, and let's go through this palette. Alright guys, I'm so excited. Let's get into it. Hey guys, so I'm back in the big t-shirt. I got my little bun right here because we're going to get serious and we are going to use Violet Voss' sister palette to the All of You Forever called Pinky Promise. I cannot believe I got that in Ipsy Plus. Who else got that? I really want to know because all of the Ipsy Plus unboxings that I have seen, I did not see anyone get this palette. I feel so very blessed because I loved the olive palette. I wasn't a fan of Violet Voss. And then I swatched this one in my Ipsy Plus unboxing video and I was like, I even washed some clothes just to wear with a look that I'm gonna do today. So excited. If you haven't seen her, here she is. We did tape today. I didn't do my foundation yet. I did a little bit on my brows, blah, blah, whatever. I just really wanted to try this palette. So let's get some new brushes in here too. We've got these superly, overly priced ones, but it's cool. We're going to start out with Wishful. And I've got MAC Paint Pot on my eyes. Ooh, Wishful is just like a cream color. I'll try to put those colors on the screen for you, but I'm just like, I can create a look that goes with the pajamas I just got. Not that I would wear those out, but this really awesome soft shirt I just got at TJ Maxx. And I've just been thinking about it all day. Okay, now, ooh, we've got Pinkies Out, Promise Me. You can do a neutral and a pink look with this. And I know you guys are gonna be like, Karen, pink, please, and thank you. So we're just gonna take Pinky Winky and we're going to put that in my crease and up as a transition shade up here. Kind of blend her in there. This is not a bad blending brush. What is this? The LR007 tapered blending. I usually use my Morphe brushes, mainly the Jaclyn Hill ones, but I'm liking these. These aren't bad. Okay, so this is a nice light pink shimmer. I'm thinking a dramatic look today and I might even do my hair. All right, let's see what we got next. We've got this flat shading brush. That's what they call it. Pinkies Out, I Swear. Ooh, Okay, so I Swear is super cute. And we're gonna put that here. Let's see. Wow. Hi. Yes, I like you. I haven't even used setting spray yet. And I bet you if I did, we'd be popping. Ooh, I gotta get more of that stuff too. I don't even know where it is at this point. You know what? I'm gonna use a little bit of this, just a wet brush. See what happens. Now we'll put it back into... Oh, it's not Pinky Swear, it's I Swear. Durr, Karen. I need glasses. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yep. Wow. I am loving this. Look at that pink. Yes. Okay, so on the back, I want to put Secret. Oh my gosh, this is like that green you guys were going crazy for in Olive You Forever. Look at this. Do you remember it? Let me pull it out. Okay. So this green. Well, look at this. Like, Secret. Like, yeah. Oh my. Oh wow. Hi. You're gorgeous. We're so keeping you. I wonder if this palette is on Ipsy add-on. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I've never been so excited for Violet Voss palettes in ever. Like, I seriously, any extras I've got, I've given away. And these ones, they ain't going nowhere. Unless I get extras to give away to you guys. That'd be a different story. Because I do love you all. Wow. Let me bring that up a little bit. That's like insane. All right, Pinky's out. Let me just try her. Right here. Oh my goodness. Like, wow. Every Pinky's out. That reminds you of, like, you go to have a drink and your Pinky's out. It's super cute. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep, I'm amazed. I'm loving it. I can't. Guys, I really need your opinions. Oh, that is just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. We've got this Forever Golden in here. That would go really well with a neutral look, which I'm definitely going to do next. But I want to take Pinky Winky, which is the light pink, and kind of put her right here. Whew. Yeah, that'll work. That, oh my gosh, I am so excited. I can't. All right, let me see. Grab this little crown brush right here. Again, I don't have setting spray. Hey, can one of you guys take the dog out? And let's put I Swear, which is like the lightest shimmer. More of that here. Yeah. Jackson. And then I'm thinking up here.
Where's Kona?
Did I lock her in my room by accident? I don't know. You have to check.
You just locked her in your room.
I didn't mean to. Sorry, Kona.
Hey guys, look at my Fanta's toy.
Oh, he wants to show you his toy.
Kona, come on.
Okay, I'm loving that like so much. It's ridiculous. And I want to stick it here too on the inner corner. Jackson, shh. Thank God I got rid of that
I don't know
bump.
where
Oh, thank
Kona
goodness
is.
I got rid of that bump.
But guess what?
Or that mess right here. Jackson, I'm doing a video.
Stop.
Oh,
Kona, follow me.
have Amber color. All right, let's grab a blending brush. Let's try this Luxie one. And here's what we're gonna do. Gently go over these colors. Gently. Just like that. They'll blend nicely together. Then I want my black liner, and here it is. This is the roller lash. Oh my goodness. It's amazing what makeup can do, guys. Like, especially good makeup. And then when you're like learning and figuring things out and knowing you have those days where you're like, wow, my makeup could do no wrong. And then you got days where, oh my gosh, I can't go out of the house like this. We've all had them. Okay, I think we're gonna do a wing just to dress this up a little. So we've got our tape here. So I'm just gonna go boink. want to make sure. I have a little bit of lash glue, I think, still. That's why it's looking like this. There we go. That's much better. Okay, so the outer part, you're going to want to make a little bit thicker. You never want any separation in pigment because it will not look right. Here we go. I love doing makeup tutorials. I'm so into spoiler videos now too, like researching everything. I love it. Okay, the corner of my eye, you always want to make sure is done. And this is like super helpful with the tape, so just make sure the tape is even, and when you put it on, your eye is relaxed. Okay, getting ready to take that tape off, do my under eye concealer. There we are. We can fix anything, do whatever we want. Okay. Concealer when I didn't even put my foundation on. Like, Karen, what were you thinking? Like, duh. Okay, so foundation's on, and for under eye concealer, we can use, what do you call it, brush? A concealer brush, or I'm getting scarce on brushes, so let me see what I have. All right, we'll go in with this Madison Beer one. It's not a concealer brush, but we can use it for that. Oh, I still need a bigger space. Ow. Okay, so we're gonna sharpen up my wing, and we're gonna put some concealer, a shade lighter than my skin tone. Take this brush, I like how this is angled too, but this is what I do to sharpen up my wing. It just really makes the eye look come together. And then if you have any mistakes, remove them with the makeup remover if they're real bad, and then go in with concealer. Like right here, I see a tiny little separation in pigment, and that's gonna like drive me mad. So I'm gonna take this, and we're just going to go over that. And I actually did make a little bit of a mistake there, but I'm pretty sure that I can just take this brush right here and get rid of that. Did you do that?
My teacher wants to see me.
Okay.
And I need someone's help, and Amber's in pain and she can't help me.
You're gonna have to give me a minute.
Well, I need a piece of paper.
There we go. Much, much, much better. Okay, for the under eye, I might have to, okay. I had to help my son with his schoolwork. So they have the online classroom, and there's all the students and the teacher trying to present and do math problems. And here we are, writing everything down. My mom was trying to help my son. She's like, I don't remember this crap. Everybody hears her. I'm like, I will do it. Out of the way. Yay! So it looked like this. Now I gotta finish. Alright, we need a stiffy. Here it is. That is what I call a stiff brush. And I'm gonna try to be quiet because my son's still doing his work. And we're gonna go into Everlasting. Oh, this is beautiful. Ooh. We're just gonna stamp that color in here. Look at that. I am loving it. It's so pretty. Guys, I'm like in love with these palettes. Have I said that already? I have. Okay, I also want to go into Lock and Seal, which is that black matte. And I'm going to put that here because it's going to connect my wing. and it's just going to make the eye look come together. Now I've wet this brush a little bit, so I'm going to let it dry, and then we are going to smoke it out. Whew. We're also going to put the Wonder Beauty gel liner on the bottom. Ooh, this gel liner is like wet. What the heck? Do you see that? It's like coming off wet. Weird.
I was gonna say okay, but guess what? I was in the middle of Lexia, and you did it, and I was like working in Lexia, and I did it.
Okay.
I was working.
Draw my mascara. Yeah, that's really weird. That Wonder Beauty, I don't know if something's wrong with it or if it's just, it's like liquidy, and it shouldn't be. I don't think the lights would do that either, because I didn't have them on for a half hour.
I'm doing a video right now, so I'll tell her. Hold it.
I think we're finally done with e-learning for a little while. Thank goodness. All right, so I let this dry, and look at it. That liner, I don't like it. I am going to smoke this out, and the black is probably going to overpower it, but that's okay.
I'm gonna let it stay on for a bit in case they go back on.
Okay, honey.
Gotcha. Because it has enough battery for now.
Okay.
Love you.
Yeah, I love you too.
I'm gonna go build my thingy.
Okay, so I went in with this for contour, and this for highlighter, and this for blush, because it like really went with this look. I still have to do my lashes and pick out a lippy, but then we're going to talk about this palette. Oh my god, I love this shirt so much. But see what I mean about how the colors go? Oh, I love it. I have a little darker color leggings that I'm going to wear with this, and I think it'll just be cute for today. I'm going to take the shirt off later if I go anywhere, but I figured that I would put on a lip gloss. Just something nice and shiny to go with this look. That's got like a little blue in it. Kind of not what I want. So let me go in with the iconic London. There we go. Much better. I like the smell of this too. Okay, so here is my finished look. Now, guys, I think that I am just super lucky and blessed that I have gotten this palette in my Ipsy Plus bag. I definitely think it's worth it, and I can't even believe I'm saying this. Like, I got this one in Boxy, which you guys wanted more greens, but we didn't do a green look with just the greens in here, and it came out great. And then we got this one here. If you want to see her again, let me show you her. She's now very well loved as well. But tell me, did you pick up either one of these palettes? Did you get these palettes in either of your bags? Put that information down below. I might have to do some grabbing these up and do a giveaway with them for you guys, because I just feel like more of you probably should have gotten these palettes, you know? Anyhow, thank you so much for joining me for this video. I love every single one of you so much. And for those of you that are new on my channel, I'm enjoying very much getting to know you. Thank you for sharing your favorite color with me. Thank you for commenting and just getting to know me. I just really appreciate your time. I love y'all so much. I will see you real soon in another video. Bye.